Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make this striking opening video for your edit in CapCut. So you need to add your photo to CapCut and also a photo of the background that you're going to use. And after that, remove the background of your photo. Okay, I'm going to use the auto removal. Use that, click on the check icon, and then make the okay, you need to add stroke. So I'm going to use this stroke right here. You can change the color of the stroke. I'm going to use okay, this color. Click on the check icon, and after that make it as overlay like this. And after that make or move the photo using keyframe. So I'm going to make it smaller first, then add 2 keyframes at the start like this. On the first keyframe, move the photo out of the screen like this. Then on the second one, add another keyframe. Here on the second keyframe, move back the photo like this. Now go to the end of the photo and add another keyframes and move the photo like this. Add another keyframe at the end and move the photo out of screen like the first one. Okay, so the movement will go like this. Now add video effect. So I'm going to use the cartoon border effect. Okay, you can find it under the comic category. Okay, I'm in the cartoon category. Use this one. Click on the check icon, and now add the other effect. You can actually add whatever you like, but I'm going to use the super like effect. Okay, so now it's done and the result will go like this. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.